Okay, so your objective, which should be at the top of everybody's page at this moment, is identify and name solid figures. So that portion should be at the top of your name, or the top next to your name. After that, we want to state the number of sides. So this is a flashback to 2 chapters ago. So how many sides does a quadrilateral have? 4. Quad, right? 4. You're going to give us quarters. 4. We have a heptagon. This one's a little trickier. Hepta.
9.
Ooh, neither of those.
10.
No, less. It's 7.
I was closer.
Hepta is 7. Penta. 5.
Oh, that's right.
So Xavier already told us that number 5, which is hexagon, has how many?
6.
And an octagon has what?
8.
8.
I thought it was October.
So we have polyhedron. It is a solid formed by polygons. Remember, a polygon is a shape that is formed by line segments whose vertices meet only there. They do not cross anywhere else. And it is a closed figure. And then we have parts of polyhedron. Those are the faces. That's the flat surfaces. You have the edges. It's the joining surfaces. And then the vertex. It's where all the lines meet. A prism. A prism is a type of polyhedron that has 2 congruent parallel faces. We name the prism by the bases. So you can see that they give the example as a hexagonal prism. So it has a hexagon as the bases. The sides are parallel. You will also see they have a triangular prism, a rectangular prism, and a pentagonal prism as the bottom. So these are types of solids. You have prisms and you have pyramids.
Oh, you want us to draw?
At this moment, what you are doing is you're going to draw them on your page. So is this a polyhedron?
Yes.
Yes, because it is formed by polygons. So yes, group over there. And what is the shape of the base? Triangle. And then what do we call this then? Triangular prism. Yep, triangular. Okay, our next one up. Is this a polyhedron? No, it is not. How did you know it was no? The person I heard say no. It doesn't have a polygon forming its sides. Is a circle a polygon? No, because it is not formed by segments. So the answer is no. What shape is this? So it has a circle base. And then what is the name of the shape?
Circle.
It's a cylinder.
Can.
It is. It's a can shape.
It's a tuna can.
So who can name the shape for 2A?
It's a rectangular prism.
It is. It's a rectangular prism. So things you notice is that the bases that are parallel are rectangles. And then it's a prism because the sides are also rectangles. Okay, now we want to count how many faces it has. So I'm going to shade it in as we go. We have one side over here, one side over here, one side over here, and then we have the side on the face. So that's 4 on the sides, 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom. So that is 6 faces. Okay, our next part of this is we want to count the edges. So how many edges do we have? So we have 1 right here. We have 1 right here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep, 12 edges. And then our last portion of this is how many vertices do we have? That's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 vertices. What shape is this? So it's going to be a pyramid because the sides are triangles. It's going to be a rectangular pyramid because the bottom is a rectangle. So it's a rectangular pyramid. Okay, a rectangular pyramid. Okay. So she already has it. It has 5 faces. Okay, how many edges does it have? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges. And then how many vertices?
Okay, where are the vertices?
That's where the edges meet. Yep, 2. It is 5 vertices. Let's try that again. So Euler's formula is F plus V plus or equals E plus 2. F is faces. V is vertices. And E is edges. Okay, so this is Euler's formula. So our next example is example 3. So here is a dodecahedron with 12 faces and 30 edges. How many vertices does this platonic solid have? So what we want to do is we want to use our formula F plus V. Give me 1 second. Let's erase that. F plus V equals E plus 2. How many faces do I have? Yep, I have 12 plus V equals 30 plus 2. Combine my like terms. That gives me 12 plus V equals 32. Subtract over 12. V equals 20.